Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop a question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so these are the assets we will be checking out one after the other. And everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, so if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So this is very, very important. Let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. This is GainX 1200, and of course, this was an uptrend for a very long time, starting from this support zone, and it came to an end at this point. So right from here, it started a downtrend, even though the market was a bit slow today, and of course it's been selling right from there. Okay, I gave us this signal in the Telegram channel, and it has gotten to the TP, to the first TP already. Okay, so congratulations to those on the Telegram channel. So we're still trying to check out the second TP right from there. So this is still going to sell more, and of course we expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity, okay, than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This was on downtrend before, starting from this resistance zone after giving us a downtrend signal and of course a sell signal, and it sold for a very long time. So it got to this support zone and it started buying because it was unable to break out from the support zone. So it gave us an uptrend signal and a buy signal, and it spiked several times around there. Remember, I'm on 15-minute time frame, so this is huge already. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 actually got to this resistance zone at first, and of course it was unable to break out from there. So it started selling right from there. But after getting to this region, it has not been able to break out below the support region. Okay, it has not been able to break out below the support region. And of course, you can see it's moving back up again. So if it gets to this resistance zone and it breaks out above it, then we should expect it to get to somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone, and that is where it's going to sell more. But for now, it is still buying. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999, and this actually got to the support zone at this point, and of course gave us an uptrend signal. It has been buying since then, got to this particular resistance region. If it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it's most likely for it to crash right from there. Okay, but for now this is still buying. Okay, the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. After getting to this resistance zone, it started selling. If you should notice, this is not having a cool movement right from here. It has been moving within this particular region. Okay, so each time it gets to this particular upper part of the channel, it goes back down again. So this is still selling at the moment, and we expect it to get to this particular region. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so this had been within this region right from there. So if it get there, then it will go back up again, but for now this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.